Good morning, Schrute Stocks family. What's going on, guys? Today is February 20th, 2021. It's Saturday, so, market's closed. So, luckily, we don't have to worry about seeing red today. So, guys, I'm posting this update because, I was looking at my portfolio yesterday and it got me thinking of how I'm actually going to get this thing growing. So, okay, we're sitting here right now, 158. That's good, right? And our next milestone is what? I want to set it to be 250, all right? We need to get this thing to 250 as the next big milestone. So, I'm plays, and and I was actually watching the videos I was posting lately, and I noticed one thing I've been saying a lot. I'm like, oh, this is a really solid long-term hold. This is a solid long-term hold. And that's smart, and it's true. But I don't think I can get this thing to 1 million with a bunch of long-term holds. You know what I'm saying? NEO's a good bet. VGAC, ZOM. These are all good plays. But I was really thinking, which of my plays are really I don't want to say swing trades, but which are going to be maybe in a few months I'm expecting, okay, this is going to have this action, this is going to do that. And really VGAC, I was looking at, I have a lot of money in this. I have 35 grand sitting in this account, and just in this one stock. And I really still believe in 23andMe. I think it's going to be a big player going forward. But this is a big chunk of money sitting in one stock, and it's a long-term hold. So if I want to start making some, I need to get this thing to really accelerate. And the only play I can think of that's okay, I have something going for it. It's going to be moving like that. Zomedica, I have a lot of money, and this one I do have a play. With the True Forma product coming out end of March, this one we're expecting to have another approaching at least $4 or $5 by that point. This one I do have a play with. Skills, SDPK, these are going to be long-term holds. MP, these are all long-term holds I have, and nothing wrong with long-term, but even Clover, I will still stick with what I'm saying with Clover. I still think this is an amazing play. This is long-term hold. But guys, I need to have a little bit more of a short-term play. So the only ones I could think of that I have that are when I say short-term, I'm not talking 1 or 2 weeks. I'm talking, maybe a couple months, but I need to have something like that. The only two I could see that I have going for me are ZOM and IRO. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I was thinking about it, maybe taking some of the money out from VGAC. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just talking right now because I'm trying to think of what I want to do with it, because I feel okay, let's take a look at where we're sitting at. So Clove, I'm going to put all the long-term stuff at the top here. So far we have Clove, VGAC, and NEO. These are all long-term plays. ZOM, IRO are going to be the shorter-term. STPK, MP, these are also going to be shorter. These are also going to be long-term. Yeah, and these are the ones at the bottom are, those are less money is in those positions. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. Maybe if you guys can give me some feedback, I'm going to be doing my own research this weekend. Maybe I'm really thinking of all of these plays here. I really like Skills, STPK, MP. I don't want to take any cash out from there, and I'm going to keep those. Those I'm not really going to change. NEO, I'm not going to take money out of. If anything, I might actually put money in these. You see, that's what I'm saying, guys. I think VGAC is really the one which I think VGAC and Clover are the two plays that I have which I could pull money from. And out of the two, I'm more comfortable pulling money out from VGAC. So I just got to think of a play I want to kind of go into, guys, because this is still a solid long-term hold. I don't even know if I want to pull all the money out, but at least some of this, even if it's 10 grand, put it somewhere else. Because I got to get some plays going, guys, because this is not, I can't just be betting all of this on ZOM and IRO to, pull us up to 250. 100,000, that's a lot of money. That's almost doubling the portfolio right here. So that can't happen with it. So I'm really thinking maybe taking money out from VGAC and looking at some of these plays. I had some of these on my radar before, but I haven't been following with it. Yeah, let's see. JAGX. I know JAGX is a good one as well. See, I have a lot of good long-term holds. I have really good plays. I know that I can become a millionaire at some point. I know, like, let's be real, guys. I have no faith. I have like complete faith that Clover, VJC, Neo, all of the. I have very good faith that these are all going to be really good plays in the future, like 10 years for sure. But we have a goal in 2 years. I gotta push this thing up to the million mark. And I don't know if that's gonna happen with just having long-term holds. So if you guys can think of any like good short-term plays, when I say short-term, guys, I'm saying like maybe by June, July, August timeframe. I'm okay with up to that. Even August, I'm really okay with holding up to. But stuff that we can see, like, okay, there's a catalyst coming here. Okay, this is probably gonna be there. This is in a good sector with this. Plays like that. I really think I should have gone in a little bit into that CCIV play. I knew about that for months now, and I don't know. I didn't want to chase the hype. I didn't want to do that, but at the same time, I really thought my investment strategy was working, and not that it's not working. It's just it's not gonna hit the growth rate that I would need to make $1 million in 2 years. So. Yeah, guys, I'm really curious to hear from you guys what your thoughts are of what I'm saying. Do you think maybe, hey guys, if you guys really think what I'm doing here is going to be safe and it's going to work, that this is just hold these for the next 2 years, I'm going to be able to hit the $1 million mark with it, then all right, I'm not going to change it then. If you guys really think that, I'm going to listen to you guys. But I want us to, like I said, guys, this is a family. This is a family. Schrute Stocks is not an investment channel. This is not some generic thing like that. This is a family, an investment family. And the way I've seen families, the way I like them, is everybody gets an equal voice. Yeah, you have one person who's going to be the spokesperson, but we work together. This is not a dictatorship where I just call the shots. You guys listen. I take feedback from you guys. You guys take feedback from me, and we grow together, guys. This journey right here, I'm sitting at 158. You may be sitting at 5,000. You may be sitting at 500. You may be sitting at $5. We're all gonna hit million dollar marks. Okay, we're all gonna hit it. So we're gonna be hitting it at different times. That's okay. But I want everyone to be growing like this together, guys. I keep seeing your comments and the feedback I've been getting. I love it. I cannot tell you enough. Like, I love seeing the updates you guys are giving me, like how much you've grown, what plays you're in, what you're thinking with it. Really, guys, this is it makes my day seeing some of this stuff, because I really do feel like we're actually growing together as like a family in this. And who knows, if we really do hit it, maybe we'll spend the money on something nice, and we'll like treat ourselves to something good, and we can all like celebrate together like that. I just want us to be growing this thing together. And this is the thoughts I was having yesterday when I was like, after I was done recording the video about Clover yesterday, I was like, Clover's a really good play, and it's a long term, like Chamath said. Like Chamath was saying in that video, he said the shorter they'll come up, the shorter the fall down, and the longer they come up, the longer the fall down. But I'm looking for 2 years to grow this thing like 3-4 times, and I need some stuff that's going to have some catalysts, I feel. And the only ones I was looking at my portfolio, it's Zom and Iro are the only 2 plays I got going for me, which are like, I can see these like running up, in the short term future. I don't see any like big catalysts for skills, STP. Like, not that these are all gonna grow, in my opinion. Like STPK, skills, they're all gonna grow really well. I just don't see this as like a quick swing, if that makes sense. I hate using that word swing trade, guys, just because it has so many different connotations. Because some people think swing trade is a week, 2 weeks. I'm not saying something like that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm saying like within 2-3 months. Like True Forma, okay, we know end of March. I've been in True Forma for months now. In Zom. I've been in Zometica for months now. And because I knew that was the catalyst that's going to come up. I did my research. I did my DD. I know what's going on with it. And I was fine with that. Stuff like that, guys. So if you have any knowledge of plays like this, things that might have like upcoming catalysts, let me know, guys. I'm really curious, because I want this thing to start growing, and I want us to start making some money here. And, that's all I want to say. This is just a Saturday morning update for you. It was February 20th, so we got market close tomorrow on Sunday, and Monday morning we're gonna be there bright and early. I don't want to rush this decision, guys, because I'm hoping to move a good chunk of cash in whatever play we decide to do. Maybe it's like 2 different plays we do, but I don't want to rush the decision, but I also don't want to just keep sitting here, for the next 3 months trying to do it. So I'm going to look into different stocks, different plays that we could probably be going into. You guys let me know if you can think of anything. I'll take a look at that. And that's about it, guys. Thanks again for everything. I love the family here, guys. I love it. Please subscribe. Please like join this family. Let me know any of the plays you guys are thinking, and let's keep growing together. All right. Thanks for everything, guys. See you.